Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Om Mushroom Superfoods Mushroom Coffee Blend. Om's Mushroom Coffee Blend is a mushroom supplement that doubles as a coffee alternative, or in some cases, an enhancer. It is a blend of 200 milligrams of functional mushrooms, including turkey tail, reishi, lion's mane, and cordyceps. It also contains Ginkgo Biloba for that extra ginkgo-y goodness. Om's Mushroom Coffee Blend is solid if you're on the go. If you are a regular functional mushroom user, this is a great thing to keep in your car, maybe at your desk, in case you forget to take your mushroom supplements in the morning. Or if you are looking for a coffee alternative and you want to start taking mushrooms, functional mushrooms, this could be a great option too. It's a great way to stay on top of your mushroom supplement routine without breaking it. And it really does serve as a great coffee alternative. It contains 120 milligrams of naturally occurring caffeine. It's a strong cup. That'll get you going. It also is non-GMO, USDA Organic, vegan, gluten-free, and kosher. Indeed, it is kosher. As far as taste goes, it does taste like mushroom coffee. If you ever had any kind of mushroom coffee before, it's that. It's super earthy, so be prepared for that. It does mix really well in with stuff like guacamole or in shakes. So if you are adding it to a shake or something like that, it will end up tasting pretty great. If you typically take your coffee black, it really shouldn't be a problem. It's pretty quick to adjust, not that much different, still in that category of black coffee. And you could always add a little bit of milk or cream or two. Despite it being an acquired taste, it is something that is acquired quickly. It actually is kind of tasty. And it tastes really clean. Where Om's Mushroom Coffee Blend really reigns through is how they source their ingredients. Om grows their own mushrooms in their own indoor growing facilities. It's all a controlled environment, so there's no crop failures. They don't use any pesticides. They literally have their operation down to a science, and they keep things as natural as possible. Om fully controls their supply chain from start to finish. And that's super important because they have the quality to actually maintain control throughout the process. Since mushrooms are bioaccumulators, it's super important to kind of control where they're grown, what soil, what they're being fed, things like that. Lastly, to further their accountability, Om does do third-party testing on all of their products, and their Mushroom Coffee Blend is no exception. Accountability. They got it. All in all, if you are looking to find a more creative or a different way to keep up on your functional mushroom supplements, if you are looking for a great coffee alternative that might be a little bit more healthy, if you are looking to add functional mushrooms as an ingredient in your shakes, stuff like that, Om's Mushroom Coffee Blend is a fantastic product that is worth checking out. That's it for our spotlight of Om Mushroom Superfoods Mushroom Coffee Blend. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. If you tried it before, let us know what you think. Always love the feedback. Give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, all that stuff. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.